In this video today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys on the All Things Noah YouTube channel upload of how to stream to Twitch and YouTube, both at the same time, simultaneously at the same time. Twitch does officially allow multi-streaming since 2023. I've been a multi-streamer for almost 2 years on both Twitch and YouTube, both at the same time. And I've mostly been streaming for almost 7 years on the platforms Twitch and YouTube for the last 7 years. So I've been I've been a Twitch streamer for almost 7 years, and I've been diversifying over to multi-streaming and streaming to YouTube and building my community on both the platforms. Twitch actually allows it, but they do have some rules that you do have to be aware um, of where you can't actually share links of your platforms to your Twitch chat. That's not allowed. They will flag you for it, so definitely be careful with that. They do not allow direct promotion, like you say, like, hey, I'm live on YouTube. You can't say that in a Twitch live stream unless someone actually asks you anyway. And then you can't actually have merging chats on your screen, which that is one of the things that they don't allow. They don't like when you merge your chats onto your screen. So they do not like that, but you can have it actually privately on your OBS that you're currently seeing, the multi-chat thing. But I'm going to show you all the tools that I mostly use. Right now, I'm currently using Altium Multistream. Altium Multistream is a tool that I currently been using. It actually works really well for me compared to a relay service. But if you want to download the plugin, you go to Altium OBS multi plugin, something like that. So you go to here, Altium Multistream OBS, and you just scroll through what you want, all the versions. Yeah, you can get the Altium vertical if you ever want to do vertical live, which I've actually experimented with it. But yeah, if you just want to go to here, just go to their source code right here, and you go down here, Altium Multistream with OBS, installation instructions. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I think I'm not sure. Okay, let me go back. Let me pause the video just for a second. Sorry guys, I actually am sorry about that, but yeah, you don't actually have to go to the OBS website, but you can just put Altium Multistream, and just go to Altium.tv. Go to there. You can sign up for a 14 free trial if you want to do that. But yeah, it works with all these platforms, Streamlabs, OBS that I currently am using. But yeah, if you just want to go to their multi-streaming product, which is free. You can download it for free. So when you do that, go ahead and to download the multi-free plugin. Just go ahead and download it. Just click on that. And it just tells you everything about it, how you do it. But yeah, you just hit the you just go ahead and just download it, and then restart OBS, and it will take you to this screen, which I currently am showing you guys. But yeah, after you set up everything, like your Twitch account and your YouTube account and everything, do be aware if you are streaming to YouTube or another platform, you definitely have to copy and paste the stream key to your streaming platform that you have selected. But they have a bunch of selections that you can choose. You have the main canvas I'm currently using for Twitch and YouTube. You can use a vertical canvas, which you can download that. If you want to stream to YouTube Shorts or to TikTok, you can also do that as well. But yeah, here are the platforms that they do support. So they have Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Trovo, Twitter, Kick, or you can just have a service that's not even included. So that's one of the good benefits, that you can just copy an RTMP plugin if you're streaming onto an other platform like Rumble or like another YouTube account or something like that. So yeah, that's another way too if you want to do that as well. But yeah, they are compatible. But yeah, do be aware if you are streaming to YouTube, you have to copy and paste the stream keys on that platform if you want to go live on there. And plus, you have to have YouTube Studios pulled up on your screen to hit the go live button, because I've had this issue before. If I go live on a plugin, I would have to actually hit the go live button on the YouTube Studios if I wanted to do that. But you can also turn on auto stop and auto start. That'll actually will send the feed as well. But you want to make sure you copy the right stream key that matches your event that you created, because you have to create an event so everyone knows about it when you go live and everything. So you can do that as well if you want to do a direct live stream that I'm currently doing. But if you also want to look into a relay service, the best one that I've currently used before is Restream. Restream is also a very popular one if you want to look into it. Yeah, Restream is also a good tool that you can use to multi-stream to your platforms at the same time without having a stream key or anything. Just log into your account and everything. Just log into your account like normal, just like before. And then it just will take you right to the screen, and it shows your RTMP like before. Then you just go to update your titles how you want it for your platforms. You can also add a channel, but do be aware you can only stream to 2 platforms at the same time for free. If you want to add more channels to your platforms, you eventually would have to upgrade, which is kind of the drawback a little bit. But if you want to stream to more channels, you would have to upgrade to a plan here, which is very, very expensive. So do be aware of that. If you do want to upgrade to more channels, you would have to pay. But if you want to do the free way, like Altium Multistream, and want to stream to more channels and have more control, definitely go with Altium. But if you just want something just to start you out, maybe you just try out Restream.io. There's also a lot of other plugins that you could try as well. You could try out Streamlabs. Streamlabs also has a cloud-based plugin just like Restream, but you still have to pay to multi-stream with Streamlabs Ultra. So do be aware of that. But if you just want a really free plugin, I would definitely go with Altium Multistream. That's what I currently actually use. It runs really well. Just do be aware. Got to copy and paste the stream key if you're streaming to YouTube, Kick, Trovo, all those places. With Kick, you just go right actually live, but with YouTube, it's a little bit hard. But if you just copy and paste your stream key and just hit that go live button, it makes it a lot more simple. So just make sure you have the YouTube Go Live Manager actually set it up just before you go live, so it's not as complicated. So that's what I've actually learned as well. So I hope this video definitely helps you out of trying to help you go live and everything. Trying to go live to Twitch and YouTube. Let me know down below what your guys' thoughts, and if you guys currently multi-stream to the Altium Multistreaming plugin. Hopefully this video definitely does help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is All Things Noah here. I'll see you guys in the next one.